Hey, it's Doug from the Rise Above Gym channel. I have a fun and effective workout for you that involves all alternating variations of exercises. Let's check it out. So every exercise is alternating. We're going to do an alternating arm deadlift, where we're going to lock down, switch at the top or the bottom. I prefer a little switch at the top, leaving that corner open. We're going to do an alternating overhead press. I'll give you an option if you don't have double kettlebells, but we're going to rack the bells up. One's going to be pressing up, and then I'll rack this side and then press up on the other. We'll do an alternating lunge. I won't hold the bell, but I'll do it during the workout. We're going to just alternate forward, back, side, however you want to do it. Alternating swing, so much like the deadlift, I'm going to leave a corner, switch at the top, bringing my free hand over and swing. And then I'm going to set up my bell so I can do an alternating push-up. So I'll do push-up here. I'm going to move my body and over. Now you can do this for time. You can do this for repetitions. I'm going to do it for repetitions. I'm going to go 10 total reps. So it's technically 5 on each arm or each side or each leg. Then we're going to move on to the next exercise. So let's start right now. I'm going to start with an alternating arm deadlift. Again, I'm going to do a conventional deadlift. I'm going to lock down, switch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, 10. Now, like I said, I like to do the overhead press. I just think it's one of my weaker lifts, so I like to incorporate it in my workouts as much as I can. But I'll show you an option at the end. If you don't have double bells. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I'm going to do a lunge. The lunge is technically alternating no matter how you do it. I'll step back. So 1, I'm going to hold a goblet position. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Got the swing. Whoops, just knocked my knee. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I'm going to set it down. One hand on the bell. 1, 2, 10. All right, so I got the 10 reps of each exercise done, 50 total reps. I would rest and then do it 3 more times for a total of 200 reps. Again, you can put it on a timer, do a 45 seconds of work, and then whatever break you want, or 30 seconds of work and whatever break you want. So make it yours, but it's kind of fun to move around like that. Switching sides, you get a little bit of rest on each side when the other one's not working. Now, if you don't have 2 bells, just do an alternating row. So I'll pull, switch, pull. So not quite an overhead press, but it'll get the back and then kind of round out your workout. So if you like the video, please like it down below. Also subscribe, try to put a new video out every week. If you have questions or comments, put them down in the box below and I'll answer them for you. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.